This car has to be completely disassembled. So we take all of the pieces off the car one part at a time. All of the bolts, nuts, washers, clips, fasteners that go along with each piece will be kept with those parts.
Welcome to the restoration wing of Double Clutch. Today, Carl and his team will begin tearing the 55 Buick apart.
While the car is up on the lift, we'll typically remove the parts that are accessible. Some of the parts are accessible with the car in the air. Some of the parts are accessible with the car not in the air. So that's how we decide which pieces to remove from the car, such as the gas tank, the bumpers that are all more accessible from the bottom side of the car.
The grill is in really great shape. We've got a little bit of surface rust on a couple of pieces.
Even the center bar is pretty good.
This center bar is actually in better shape than the one Scotty gave us. It's in the box. He said it was the old stock. This one actually looks better.
Here's our grill coming off the car. The grill is made of mostly pot metal. All of these pot metal pieces have damage to them. We're looking at them now and noticing more problems with them. Down.
Right. Cool.
Okay, guys, let's get the body off. We're trying to remove the body from the frame. We've got all the bolts out. These cars have lots of bolts compared to new cars that hold the body to the frame.
No?
Cut, Brian.
No, they're separated.
Something else is holding it back here.
What we found is the
think he-
bumper extensions extend through a hole in the body, so the body's stuck on the bumper
Yeah,
extensions.
it's right here. Let it down. Let it down.
We gotta take those brackets off.
And another one.
Does it really? Yes. 3 bumper holes.
Yep. It's got one more right there. Got 2 more. Wow.
Man.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, we ran into a little bump with the bumper bracket. Actually extends through the body, so we have to pull the bumper brackets off to get the body off the frame. All right, guys, you ready? Everybody go watch. Get your position and watch.
We've got the car to the point we can remove the body from the chassis, separate the two, and we'll be able to look the car over a little bit better at this point. This is another step of the process to make a better evaluation of what we actually have here.
And it's off.
Look at there.
Oh, awesome.
Thanks for joining us for this restoration segment. We'll see you next week, where more work will be done at Carl's Custom Cars, here on Double Clutch.